What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're going to do a lasagna inside a bell pepper on the open fire. Stay tuned. Just going to run you through our ingredients quickly. I'll leave it somewhere in the screen as well. So over here we've got some mushrooms, strips of bacon, we've got some cheeses over here, feta cheese, spring onion and chives, 2 different cheeses, gouda, and over here we've got some strips of lasagna, some mincemeat, your choice if you want to go ground, fine, lean, whatever you decide. Over here we've got the star of the show, our bell peppers. I've chosen 3 different colors here. You can use any of them, I'm sure that's not going to matter. Right guys, let's get straight into it. What we're going to do today, we're going to take all these ingredients, a little bit of olive oil, do it on our skillet, on the open fire. Make sure that's 80% done. Once that's done, we're going to get back here, cut these nice and open, layer them inside here, and then back to the Weber. Browning the onions. It's nice and hot. Okay, then we're going to add some bacon. Some seasoning. I use some barbecue spice all-rounder. And then you can see it's time for our mince, our beef mince. We're just browning that mince. We want to make sure that it's cooked about 80-85%. We know that the bacon, all of that we fried before, and the mushrooms and the onions, they're good. It's just the mince, and on the coals like this, it's going to go pretty quick. So just keep on turning, mixing it. All we need to do. Some salt and pepper. Sizzling away. Right, you can see there's different ways of doing this. Lasagna normally makes you think of a white cheese sauce. Today we're going to do it slightly different because we're doing it in the bell pepper. Yeah, we're not really making a thick sauce with it. We're just going to add some cheese. We've got our bell pepper, we've got some cheese, we've got our mix of ingredients. We've got our lasagna strips. We're just going to break it. Doesn't have to be perfect. And we've got feta cheese. Let's do this one. We're going to put some cheese in there. Then a little bit of mince. As you can see, we're going to keep on layering them. The lasagna, the cheese, start with the mince again. And right on top, we're going to finish off beautifully with some awesome cheese. Right guys, time for the fire. Let's do it. You can see hot and cold section over here. It's in our Weber, so I'm going to put them on the side here. Fantastic. Right guys, 30 minutes, maximum 45, that's what I'm thinking. Let's close it up and check in a bit. I always make sure that the holes are where the food is, on the cold section. Hot air goes through the food. Perfect. It's been 45 minutes. Let's take them off. That looks just delicious. Right, let's try these out. If you look closely, you can see how juicy it is. Look at that. Let's cut it straight down the middle. Shall we do that? Just do that. Look at that, it's beautiful. Look at this, the lasagna. It's good. Should you try it out? I'm just going to cut a piece like this. It's very warm. So in theory I should wait. Look at the bacon there. Look there. Yeah, look how soft it is. You can see lasagna is good. Magnifique. Wow, this is so nice, guys. Look there. Look at the juices there. It's just absolutely beautiful. You can taste the mushrooms. You can taste the smokiness of the Weber. It's just brilliant. Go try this out, guys. Let me know what you think about that. If you like what we do, guys, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about this dish. Try it out. Give us some feedback. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Let's dig in. This is beautiful.